Meet Carlos. He's a data analyst for a big-name hotel who's just been asked by the VP of Sales, Fiona, for help uncovering what drives repeat guests to their property. To get to the answer Fiona needs, he'll have to overcome two challenges. One, the data he needs comes from many different sources. And two, he's got a year's worth of customer comments from popular review sites to cull through. Using Power BI, Carlos can connect directly to data sources wherever they are, including real-time and streaming data, both on-premises and in the cloud. Using Power BI native AI capabilities, he can find insights quickly from structured and unstructured data, including text like customer reviews, and even images. Power BI helps Carlos quickly classify and detect positive and negative sentiment in social media, online reviews, and discussion forums. Now that his data is ready, Carlos builds a report that can help the team explore trending topics and focus on reviews. Fiona and her team tend to explore data using the Q&A feature, where they can simply ask their data a question to get an answer. Carlos wants them to be able to use their regular industry lingo and jargon when asking these questions. So, using Power BI, he defines ADR to mean average daily rate, and CRS to mean central reservation system, acronyms he knows they'll use when exploring the data. As he chooses a variety of visuals to represent the data, Carlos is sure to include one specifically designed to show what influences a KPI so the team can get to an answer more quickly. He then shares the report with Fiona, which she and her team can view and collaborate on while working from any device. Using the key influencers visual, they uncover that guests who came to relax, visited the spa, and made their reservation by phone are much more likely to return compared to others. As a result of these insights, Fiona and her team develop a marketing strategy targeting guests who have similar characteristics to those found by the visual. Behind the scenes, Carlos can view a report of all the questions asked, so he can continually improve analysis going forward. Go from data to insights in minutes. Any data, any way, anywhere. Business intelligence like never before.